Speak English better
with Copilot Podcast.
Hi there, and welcome to the Copilot Podcast studio. Today we are doing a special deep dive designed just for you, especially if you are an English beginner.
Yeah, exactly. We are going to keep things very clear and, well, just really easy to follow today.
Right, because today is all about a topic we all deal with, jobs.
Yeah.
Figuring out the exact words you need to actually jump into a conversation about what people do for work.
It's such a big part of life, so having the right basic words is, it's super important for making connections.
Totally. So let's start with the absolute building blocks, the words job and work. In a lot of languages, those might translate to the exact same word, right?
They do, yeah. But in English, they actually function a bit differently. So a job is the specific role you hold to earn money, like if you are a teacher.
Right, or a doctor.
Exactly. It's a countable thing. But work, on the other hand, is the actual effort you put in or the general action. So you have a job, but you go to work.
Oh, I like that. You have a job, but you go to work. It's like these words are basically building blocks. You absolutely need them before you can build a whole house, or in this case, a whole conversation.
That's a really great way to look at it. You have to start with those raw materials.
Right. So let's look at some of those roles. You mentioned a teacher and a doctor, and those jobs often happen in an office, which is just a place where a lot of people go to work.
Yeah, office is a great word to know. It's incredibly common.
So now that we have these blocks,
Mm-hmm.
how do we actually put them together? Like, how do we ask someone about their day?
Well, the easiest way to start is just asking, what is your job? It's simple, direct, and very polite.
What is your job? Okay, and to answer, I notice people usually say, I am a teacher, or I am a doctor. It's almost like a magic key for introductions.
It really is.
But wait, why do we say I am a instead of something like, I work as a behavior?
That's a fantastic observation. In English, we often tie your profession directly to your identity. So saying, I am I, sets a really strong foundation right away in the conversation.
Oh, wow. So even if you don't have a job yet, you just use that same structure and say, I am a student.
Exactly right. It works perfectly. It's universally understood. And once you say who you are, you can easily add where you work.
Like she works in an office. Or I work at a hospital.
Yes. Or if you are talking about the future, you can say, I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a doctor. That's a really useful phrase. And if I want to keep the conversation going and ask about their feelings, I could just say, do you like your job?
Yeah, that's a really friendly question. It invites them to share a little bit more than just their title.
But let me challenge you on this for a second. When you're learning English, is it always better to keep sentences this short and simple? Like, shouldn't we try to say more so we sound fluent?
It's tempting to think that, but honestly, no. Keeping your sentences simple is actually the best strategy.
Wait, really? Always?
Yes, because simple sentences build your confidence. If you try to build a massive, complex sentence before your foundation is ready, you'll just get tangled up. Fluency really comes from clarity.
That makes total sense. Confidence is the ultimate goal here. So let's give you, the listener, a quick challenge to build that confidence right now.
I love a challenge. So try to say 3 sentences out loud right where you are. First, establish your identity. Say, my job is, or I am a Shing.
Okay, and second, establish your location. Say, I work at.
And third, share an opinion. Say, I like my work, or I do not like my work.
You are doing an amazing job practicing today. Setting that foundation is huge.
You really are. Just keep using those basic blocks.
Before we sign off, though, I want to leave you with one final fun thought to ponder. Think about your ultimate dream career. If you could have absolutely any job in the world, what new English words would you need to learn today to describe it?
Oh, that's a really great question to think about. It's fascinating how our language has to grow to match our dreams.
It really is. Keep building that foundation, and thank you so much for taking the time to practice your English with us today.